Assalamu alaikum everyone. So if you want to check the comment section very quickly, if you're new, check the comment section for an invitation link to my Discord, which is absolutely free. Now here it is with the bonk, and the last time I talked about bonk, it's been a while, and I left you with the following: that bonk has made a very bad sign here, and that is you had the trend line, and this is a clear break of a trend line, and the retest also failed, and now you're dropping down, and it does seem like 943 is going to be your next technical target for bonk. So basically you could be expecting a big drop, which is actually going to be 43%. Now, I've spoken about the wicks before, okay, and this wick actually does give me more confidence that it's an open invitation to actually just drop down, take the wick, and actually maybe move for another new low. So I've actually said this in the Pepe video as well. September historically has never been good. So if I go back into Discord, so this is the private, right? Private is already closed. A lot of people did join for September. So on 20th of September, I'm going to open up for October as well. Just be on the Discord, hang in there. And I'm going to show you some very cool stuff of what is going on in Discord, right? I don't have too much to talk about bonk because it's pretty simple. I'm going to leave it very simple. Support here, loss of support, you come down because that's where the technical target really is. And the invalidation is going to be up when you go to 2398. So I think if you do go up to 2398 and close above here, then you're good to go, right? Otherwise, it's pretty simple. You're coming down. So the icing on the cake here is that if I go back into announcements, I've actually made it, right? So it's here. This is my enemy, okay? Q4 and 2025 are going to be my friends, but unfortunately, the last month of Q3 is might actually be bad, and there are big chances of being bad technically as well. And can you relate to this? Yeah, scalpers know this. This is a scam thing, and okay, so this is the main thing I want to show you, right? Let's actually get to the point. And this is September, right? So that's September that you have, then followed by October, right? What an amazing month that next month is going to be, but you just have to get through this, okay? This is a data for the past 11 to 12 years that I'm showing you right now. So this is very serious stuff in here. I mean, the statistics says that September had like the most win is not more than 6% return in September in 11 years. The only month that had the best gain was 6% of a September, right? Otherwise, most of the time September is like 30% down, 10% down, 15% down, and God knows how much down that's going to be. So what is the navigation of or how much down can you actually be if we go with Bitcoin, right? So if we go with Bitcoin, then you do have this channel going on right now, and if you had to fall, then maybe it's time to go down to that lowest part of the channel, which can actually be $44,000. And I think that's the bottom, okay? For me personally, I think 44K is going to be the bottom for this year. And then from here, everything changes because crypto, I believe, is going to be cool once again. And again, this is the last month. It's September. It's my enemy. It was never a friend to me, but Q4s and the next year, I believe we're going to be bouncing back very soon, and you'll probably even forget this ever happened. But I'm sure a lot of people are going to be stressed out. But you heard from me. I don't really think it's anything to be bothered about. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.